soul still standing. Let it be. Better days are ahead. When the road feels heavy under your feet and the night feels long, hard to sleep, you tried so hard just to stay strong, but the tears keep singing a broken song. Life can knock you down, break your pride, leave you hurting deep inside. But hear this truth, believe in me, this pain is not your destiny. Let it be, don't lose your way. Stormy nights can't stop the day. Hold your faith, lift up your head. Better days are ahead. Let it be, just let it flow. Seeds of hope will start to grow through the tears, through every test. Better days are ahead, yeah. Every scar tells a story of survival. Every breath is your revival. You're still here, that means a lot. You are stronger than you thought. The sun still rises, same as before, knocking softly at your door. Open your heart, let the light come in. This is not the end, it's the beginning. Let it be, don't give up now. Your time is coming here and now. Keep your faith, don't be misled. Better days are ahead. Let it be, trust the plan. Hold on tight, take my hand through the fire, through the rain. Better days will come again. When you feel alone and lost, remember love has paid the cost. What you lost is not in vain. Joy will follow after pain. Let it be, feel the sound, love and hope all around. Stand up tall, move ahead. Better days are ahead. Let it be, heart so true. Life still got plans for you from this moment, from today. Better days are on the way. Yeah. One love, one heart, one destiny. Let it be, better days are ahead.